Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 6th and subject social science in that chapter number 11 landforms. In the previous video we have seen main 8. Today we'll see main 9. Write a short notes. Number 1. Block mountain. Answer is due to tectonic force the central part between two strata subsides or the surrounding area submerges and the central parts remain stable as a mountain. The mountain thus formed is called block mountain. Example Satpura, Nilgiri, Vindhya, etc. in India. The Horst mountain of Germany is considered to be its best example. So this type of mountain is called Horst mountain. The height of block mountain is less than fold mountains. These are spread over or limited area on the earth. Number 2. Importance of plateau. Importance of plateau is as follows. Number 1. Cotton grows best in the plateau formed by the fertile black lava soil. Precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold, etc. are obtained from the ancient solid rocks of the plateau. Many precious minerals are obtained from Chota Nagpur plateau of India. Slopy grasslands of the plateau are suitable for cattle rearing. Some plateaus are very favorable for tourism and film industries. Number 3. Importance of a plain. Answer is fertile plains are favorable for human habitations in many ways. So economic activities like agriculture, trade and industries develop here. Point 2. Due to the even surface, roads and railways are more developed here. Point 3. Densely populated larger cities have developed in the plains. Point 4. Fertile soil is useful for agriculture products. Some of the agro products provide raw material to some agro industries. Now see the next page. Main 10. Show the following inland forms at their proper places on the outline map of India. Number 1. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Number 3. Malwa Plateau, Bay of Bengal. Point 4. Mountain Vindhya. Number 5. Mountain Girnar. Number 6. Mountain Nilgiri. Number 7. Gulf of Khambat. And number 8. Gulf of Kutch. Now see Mountain Girnar here in Gujarat, here Gulf of Kutch, here Gulf of Khambat, here Malwa Plateau and here Mountain Vindhya. Chota Nagpur and it's a plateau. Here Bay of Bengal, here Mountain Nilgiri. Now see the next page. Draw figures. This region is of block mountain. This region subside here. This region subsided and it's a block mountain. Now see the volcanic mountain and intermontane plateau and here Piedmont plateau. Now see the activity. Classify the following mountains and write each in the following tables. First of all, we will see the whatever given. Vindhya, Satpura, Andes, Pavagadh, Nilgiri, Cotopaxi, Rocky, Girnar, Himalayas, Eastern Ghats, Fujiyama, Arauli, Barren, Vesuvius, Alps and Horst. Fold mountains are Andes, Rocky, Himalayas and Alps. Block mountains are Vindhya, Satpura, Nilgiri and Horst. Volcanic mountains are Pavagadh, Cotopaxi, Girnar, Fujiyama, Barren and Vesuvius. Residual mountains are Eastern Ghats and Arauli. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.